Welcome to how to record FaceTime with audio. So in this video we are going to show you how to record FaceTime with audio. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's suppose that if you want to record your FaceTime calls, what you're gonna have to do if you open up FaceTime here. So there is no option in here that basically records your FaceTime call, okay? And if we basically drag it down from here, and if from here we can basically the built-in iPhone recorder, if we turn it on, it will also not record your FaceTime calls because Apple does not provide this option, okay? So what you're gonna have to do here, you have to use another separate device, okay? So let's suppose that if you are on FaceTime call with someone, you can basically use your separate phone to record the FaceTime calls, okay? So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.